What's up guys, today is the first step of the restoration of this Audi S6. Today is going to be mostly about cleaning up everything inside and out, engine bay. By the same time of doing this process, I'm going to be able to find out if there's any scratches or some stuff I haven't noticed yet. I think this is really an important step, you know, when you're buying a car at the auction like this one. You might find some surprise by doing the vacuum inside or just by cleaning every inches of the exterior. Sometimes you can find some defect in the paint or some scratches and stuff like that. This one seems in pretty good shape for 2007, but today I'm gonna wash it deeply. I've got tons of products to wash this car, show you all the products I'm gonna use today. Today it's really something you can do in your driveway. It's not high level detailing stuff, but still we gotta put it back in a good shape, and I think it's gonna look clean.
I'm alone in the dark, can I be where you are?
So I give the car a nice rinse with the power washer. I'm using the Power Blast for my first step, and next is going to be the Polar Wash to clean it up. Now the car is pretty dirty. You know, I won't use the third step, I could say. These three steps are good when the car is actually kind of clean and you just want to wash it with your power washer. But today I want to remove most of the you know, the dirt because this car's been sitting for a few weeks on the lot at the auction. After those two steps, I'm gonna wash it by hand. It's a long process for today, but when it's been a while, the car haven't been washed, you know, I really like to remove that, you know, major dirt on it. And after that, when you clean it up with the mitts and all that, it's easier on your mitts. With this process, it removes basically the major dirt. It's gonna be easier after that when we're gonna wash it by hand.
Wiped away the dust from my eyes.
All right, now it's time to clean the wheels. I've got the Auto Glam Magma. It's good for wheels and tires. Also, you can put some in the wheel wells. It's always good. What's fun about this product, once it's activated, we can see like the purple stuff coming out. It's cool. So while I was cleaning the engine bay, this part here, one of the engine cover with the Audi logo sign on it, I noticed it was not, you know, into place anymore. So I have to repair this part, re-stick it, have to add some glue or something to put it back. Good thing I noticed this. I wouldn't like to lose this part and fell into the engine while driving. So this is part of, you know, cleaning the engine bay, stuff like that happens all the time.
Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of sun. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me, yeah. Big time, big time, big time, big time.
You can also find your next project car on Autobidmaster.com. It's open for everyone, so if it's your first time, you can go on the website and buy it. You don't have to be a business. It's not something only for dealership and wholesalers and all that. You can buy also your next project car. Sometimes it may seem complicated, but the customer service at Autobidmaster.com, it's really amazing. I got the help from Tabitha. She was really helpful. She helped me all the way through the end of the process of buying this Audi S6. So if for you it seems a little bit too complicated, you have to keep in mind the customer service at Autobidmaster.com. It's one of the best on the market. You can also use my code in my description. There's some links. You get $50 off on the top 2 tiers premium membership. So it's really worth it. Click on it. Go check out the website. Day 2 of bringing back this car in shape. So the exterior is pretty clean right now. It was pretty clean overnight. We've got some, dust and some little debris from the night. But overall, the car is way better than it was. Especially the wheels. The wheels look really cleaner than they were. We've got some bumps and scratches all around. Not a big deal. Seriously, I could resell this car as it is right now. It's in pretty good shape, but we're gonna bring it to the next level. See if there's anything to repair. Deep cleanup, deep wash, vacuum and all that. I also had the chance to repair this part here, so I fixed the logo with some super glue. So now the logo is gonna stay in place and looks good on the top of the V10.
Nothing's gonna stop this shit from sinking down. Think we need some mediation.
All right, vacuum is done, and also I cleaned all the interior of the doors. And now I'm gonna attack the seats, and I'm gonna clean the leather with this leather cleaner from Autoglim. Hopefully we're gonna bring back some of the shine of those amazing S6 seats. All right, all the seats are clean now. I'm gonna try this leather care balm. It's gonna improve the protection and also remove some of the stains on the leather. All right, my deep cleaning is done. The interior was pretty decent, especially for a 2007. Pretty clean. You know, most of the damage are basically on the driver's side. The seats looks way better now with the treatment. Clean everything, nice carbon fiber. Carpets are all clean now. No stains or anything, you know, hard to really clean inside of this car. Especially in the back, everything seems to be like new, especially this metal part here. It looks brand new. It still have the emergency kit inside. Pretty amazing. Even inside of the ashtray, they are all clean. So, you know, it was not a big job, especially for something with that mileage. In the back, pretty decent also. You know, some slight damage, but this is, you know, normal wear for 2007. I'm pretty glad of the interior. Not a things to get done inside. One thing I have to repair is probably this cover of the speaker here. Some slight damage, but not a big deal. So the deep cleanup, it's all done now, inside and out, engine bay and all that. Some small repairs, but actually the car was in pretty good shape. My next video is gonna be a full review of this car. Before I'm gonna do some mods to it, I'll already order some parts to it. So it should be fun. So stay tuned for more.